There is a Lula way.
Yeah.
Highway. It's anyone from Cape Town to Limpopo. From Limpopo to Cape Town. Pirates ungayithatheli phansi.
Yeah.
Ngiyayiza izinkulumo abantu basikhulumayo ukuthi coach is chopping and changing. Yeah, Pirates cartel. Even the coach was saying this is not USA. Yeah, back from USA. And then some players have to pull up there, so all the stuff. I understand the pressure there. Because ama supporters of Pirates, they don't expect you to perform below par. The Pirates have got everything.
Bafuna 100% so isikhathi.
100% every game. Akuna into eshodayo lapha. Imese unayo, umkhonto unayo, yonke into unayo.
Spam sikhona.
Ichilisi unayo.
Umuthi ukhona.
Itswayi likhona. Yonke into lemon twist ikhona, amaqanda akhona, yonke into ikhona. Yonke into ikhona, ama-t-shirt lawo ama-legends akhona. Though bathi i-star asikho kule. Sisusile because le jersey le akusi jersey yamanje akudala. Asifuna ukukhosa i-controversy because le jersey bengana-star. Nele-emblem ile indala. So we are motivating the boy ukuthi abadlala i-team incane. It's not just a name. It's a big brand.